more than 20 plus years, thousands of students have completed their dissertation and thesis projects with Operation Wallacea. It does, however, take a slightly different approach to a traditional university-based project, and so this video is to discuss how completing a project with us would work. To complete your dissertation with us, you will need to join us on expedition for 6 weeks in order to collect enough data for a high-quality dissertation project. These 6 weeks do include all the training that you'll need to complete your project, as well as the actual project itself. We offer a wide range of projects which are grouped into key topic areas such as marine ecology, birds, mammals, and behaviour. All of our projects are suitable to be completed at an undergraduate dissertation or thesis. If you are interested in joining us for your master's thesis, please do have a chat with our research team to check that your chosen project is at an appropriate level for this to be facilitated. But it is well worth the effort, as our students historically receive excellent grades. 92% of our students do receive the top 2 grades, and students of ours have won awards for their projects in universities all over the world, including at Oxford and Princeton. The first challenge is choosing the right project for you. Doing a project that you enjoy and one that you're actually invested in is very often reflected in the final grade that you receive. So whilst it's obviously important to choose a project that fits well with your university degree, you should also consider what you would most enjoy spending the next 12 months or more studying. Many students do find that it's a difficult choice, as so many projects can sound appealing. If this is the case, what I would recommend is narrowing down your choices to 3 or 4 projects, and then having a chat with someone in our research team who can talk you through the pros and the cons of each project and help you find the one that's right for you. One of the biggest differences really with doing a project with us is the timescale, how much we're going to be bringing it forward, by as much as a year in some cases. So whereas you wouldn't really start planning your project until the final year of your degree, you'll be planning this in your penultimate year, and you'll have all of your data before you'd normally even start thinking about what dissertation you'd like to be doing. So to start with, for choosing and booking, we do only offer a handful of places on each one of our projects, and so spaces can go very quickly. Do remember that the projects that we offer are very broad and actually too broad for a specific dissertation. So there is scope for you to specialize within the projects that we offer. After you've booked on, you can sit back and relax until Christmas time, after which we'll allocate you with a dissertation coordinator from Operation Wallacea. This is going to be one of our in-house postdoctoral researchers who has relevant expertise. They'll share information and documentation with you and work with you to develop a project idea. And then in February, you'll submit a draft proposal. And once you've submitted it, you will receive detailed feedback on it. And after that, really, it's time to focus on your end of year exams. For what to expect on expedition, the first 1 or 2 weeks are going to be training, which is designed to give you the practical and theoretical skills needed to complete the project of your choosing. This is going to include things like local species ID, survey techniques, as well as all the practical training, such as learning to scuba dive if needed. The rest of the time you'll spend on expedition is going to be dedicated to data collection for your project. We offer a handful of places on each dissertation project, although they don't necessarily all fill up. So you may find that you're working as part of a small team with shared targets for data collection, and then you use that data that you collected together to answer your own individual questions. You'll have a field supervisor whilst on site, and this will be someone with broad experience with the necessary survey methods and someone who's also able to help provide health and safety support to you in your field. They will often be a PhD student or a recent graduate, and their main role is to ensure that you have the logistical support needed to complete your project safely. There'll also be a senior scientist who you will meet with regularly and whose role is to ensure you have good academic supervision as well as that logistical support. The primary focus of your time on site is going to be data collection, as that really is the one job that can't be done once you get home. However, there will be plenty of opportunities to achieve more than just data collection, and we strongly advise all of our students completing dissertation theses with us to take advantage of this. You'll be surrounded by other students and scientists, and so you can use that opportunity to develop new skills and work on other aspects of your project, such as data analysis or even starting to write it. The last thing to mention is support from your university, as this is something that students can find a little bit confusing. Because your university won't be planning to start dissertation planning with you for a while yet, don't be surprised if they aren't willing or able to give you the green light for an optimal expedition right away. For this reason, we do have separate terms and conditions for dissertation students, because we appreciate that you might not be able to do your chosen project through no fault of your own, although it is very rare for a university not to give their support. So therefore, we do offer dissertation students a full refund without even subtracting an admin fee up until the 1st of April if your university do decide that they won't support your project. This allows you to secure your place now and make a start on fundraising without worrying about your university support at this stage. Thank you very much for listening. I hope you found this informative. For any more information, please follow us on social media, give us a call, or send us an email at expeditions@opwal.com.